guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we're exploring the Memorial Hill here in Muntinlupa. Aalamin natin kung ano ba yung historical about this place, kaya samahan nyo ako. And eto siya. Kala natin, ordinary hill lang ito, pero naglalaman to ng kwento noong panahong 1941, which is ginanap yung World War II, na in-invade tayo ng Japan. And makikita natin na sobrang kita naman yung lugar na may nangyari dito way back 1941. And sa taas niyan, may canyon. Napapakita natin mamaya. So ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa Memorial Hill. Kaya pasukin na natin. So nandito na tayo sa taas. Kala mo normal lang, pero tignan mo. Makita mo. Kala mo normal lang, pero pag taas tayo, makikita natin yung ebidensya na may nangyaring World War dito. Noong 1941, nagkaroon ng World War, which is World War II. And isa dito sa lugar na to ang nangyari ng World War II. At the time of World War II, the prison was under the leadership of Major Ervito Misa. So makikita natin dito yung canon na marka na may nangyaring World War talaga dito. So katabi dito niya yung memorial mark ni Major Heriberto Misa, the longest service director of Bureau of Prisoners. Ito yung nagpapakita na isa siya sa mga unsung heroes noong panahon ng World War II. Did you know Heriberto Misa Sr. served as the director of the Bureau of Corrections from 1937 to 1949? He covertly supported the resistance by granting them access to the new Bilibid prisons for the intelligence gathering operations. He also permitted the clandestine use of shortwave radios and a radio transmitter within the reservation area. However, his involvement with the guerrilla movement was uncovered following the Bilibid raid in June 1944, leading to his removal from his post. Misa survived the war and passed away in 1949. Honoring his final wish, he was buried in a hill with the new Bilibid compound, now known as Memorial Hill, or as the locals refer to it, the Grotto. It shows that Major Heriberto Misa Sr. is one of the unsung heroes during World War II. So ngayon guys, may pumayag na interview natin about this place. Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Ako po si Patrick Nino Subayan.
Ano po bang alam niyo about this place? This historical place?
Itong historical place na to is naganap siya ng World War II. At nakwento sa akin na lola ko, maraming mga prison guards na tumulong at mga lokal na tumulong din na magpakain ng mga soldiers. Tapos, ayun.
So, mga unsung heroes po pala ito.
Apo.
So, mga tinulungan nila yung mga soldiers?
Apo.
So, nakita na nga natin tong lugar na to at makikita nyo naman sa video ko na may mga tao at yung lugar na to parang napabayaan na and kitang kita na historical place na nga siya and sobrang tahimik dito, ginawa ng tambayan ng mga kabataan. Sana mapaalagaan ito. So that's the story of Memorial Hill. It holds a loudest story in our history. Ngayon, nasa Jamboree Lake tayo and makikita natin doon, may statue doon, which is the Lady Justice. And ito rin place na to, walking distance lang sa Memorial Hill. And may pagkaparehas sila na nag-share ng historical story. Katabi rin pala ng Memorial Hill ang New Bilibid Prison na makikita niya sa likuran. Bawal na tayo pumasok doon. So, kung nagustuhan niyo tong video na to, like and share nyo. And gumawa na rin kayo ng katulad nito. Pumunta kayo sa mga lugar na alam nyo may history behind it and mag-research kayo para may alam tayo sa history natin. Thank you! Today, Memorial Hill is not just a grave site. It's symbolizing cultural and historical